In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with Outlook Calendar step by step, so your tasks and deadlines stay perfectly in sync with your schedule. This is incredibly useful if you manage projects in ClickUp but rely on Outlook Calendar for daily planning, meetings, and reminders. By the end of this video, you'll have ClickUp tasks automatically showing up in Outlook, helping you stay organized and never miss an important deadline. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account using your email and password. Make sure you're logging into the correct workspace where you manage your tasks and projects, because the calendar connection will apply to this account. Once you're logged in and the ClickUp dashboard loads, take a moment to ensure everything looks correct and your workspace is fully accessible. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar inside ClickUp. Scroll down slightly and click on the option labeled More. This section contains additional tools and settings that aren't shown in the main navigation by default. Clicking More will expand a menu with several extra options. From this menu, find and click on Apps. This is where ClickUp manages all third-party integrations, including calendar tools, communication apps, and automation services. Once the Apps page opens, you'll see a list of available integrations that ClickUp supports. Now scroll through the list or use the search option to find Outlook Calendar. When you see Outlook Calendar in the list, click on it to open the integration setup page. On this screen, ClickUp will show you details about what the Outlook Calendar integration does, such as syncing tasks, due dates, and deadlines. To begin the setup, click on the Connect button. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign into your Microsoft Outlook account. Enter the email and password associated with your Outlook calendar. Microsoft will then ask you to grant permission for ClickUp to access your calendar data. Carefully review the permissions so you understand what ClickUp can view and sync, and then click Allow or Accept to continue. After authorization is complete, ClickUp will confirm that Outlook Calendar is now connected. From here, you can customize how tasks appear in your calendar, including which spaces are list sync and how due dates are displayed. Once everything is set, your ClickUp tasks will automatically sync with Outlook Calendar, keeping your schedule up to date without any manual effort. And that's it. You've successfully connected ClickUp with Outlook Calendar. This setup can save you a huge amount of time and make task management much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.